I wanted to create a preview for the CustomTkinter available widgets from the official library. So I asked Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and it wrote me this code. I added one widget called CTK scroll bar. I added also some few corrections, and here is the code. But first you have to style CustomTkinter library, of course. Then you can use the widgets. So the widgets are button, a nutty, a label, a checkbox, a switch, a radio button, a scale, a progress bar, combo box, text box, tab view, option menu, segmented button, scrollable frame, a frame, and scroll bar. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.